What's up everyone? This is an unboxing of the KBDfans D65 65% keyboard. So what makes this keyboard unique, at least from its price point, is its gasket mount. And so this is the PCB. I got the Hotswap, but they also have the solderable ones. So yeah, it's a black PCB. Just showing you how to like just a guide on how to put in the switches. This one, I'm not sure yet. Yeah, that's the PCB. And this is the board itself. It's pretty heavy. Okay, so it's like this. So you open it from here. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay, it's pretty nice. Then yeah, you get some foam. So this is the plate right here. Oh yeah, so this is an aluminum plate and it's white. And these are stabilizers. And these are just screws. Okay. So this is the case itself. It's in gray. Oh, okay. And this is the brass weight. They have other choices in the website. I'll put it in the description. Yeah. So it's anodized. That's pretty much it. And for that, I might use this switches. So I might use the switches, the Glorious Holy Panda, or well, they change it to Glorious Pandas now. But yeah. So thank you for watching my unboxing of the KBDfans D65.